vote for you. Now I have a challenge for you, Sasa karwimbo, pali tulitoa karwimbo, nataka tutafute karwimbo wengine. There's some... Okay? Me, my legacy, staki nikienda, musemage Churchill alienda na talent hapana. I want to create as many talents as possible. Now karwimbo, I'm going to give you 2 homeworks. One, we have to plan a homecoming ya Churchill show ya karwimbo in Nyeri. Tulete Churchill show huku ya karwimbo. Tufanye moja Nyeri, si ndio? That is 1. 2, we need to start karwimbo comedy show. Uje utafute vijana hapo Nyeri, tutafute hall once in a month, unafanya comedy, mtakuja kumsupport. Now I'm sure with the good partners, Inoro is an amazing radio station, and of course Citizen Radio, uko ndio nilianzia by the way. So I'm sure utaweza kusonga mbele. You see, at the end of the day, it's not about us, it's about the legacy we leave. So I'm here behind you as a big brother, will support you. Now may God continue lifting you up. Sorry for the loss, but you're a blessing to this nation. All right? May God bless you.
Goko niguo Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia gwake atia na gwatuka atia tikoge niguo Gikuyu Community News. Subscribe.